Imagine a normal Tuesday. No drama, no warning, you're doing your job, then you get the meeting invite. 5 minutes, camera off, short agenda. You already know what that means. Somebody says restructure, somebody says efficiency, and your role becomes a line item. Not because you failed, but because someone found a faster way to produce the same output. In the next 8 minutes, you'll know whether your job is sitting in the danger zone. You'll know what to build so you don't get swept aside, and you'll leave with a 30-day plan you can actually execute. Whether you're a W-2, an entrepreneur, it doesn't matter. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's how it happens. In the real world, no one replaces a job. They replace the parts of the job that repeat, the part that follows rules, the parts where your brain feels like a copy machine. Those parts get turned into buttons. Then the company keeps one person and deletes the rest of the headcount. If you hear your role in any of these, pay attention. Signal 1. Your day is mostly words and screens. Email, documents, tickets, reports, spreadsheets. Anything that starts as information and ends as information. Signal 2. Your work gets approved with a quick glance. Looks good, ship it. That means the quality bar is checkable. Signal 3. You move information between people or systems. You are the bridge. Bridges get automated. If that hits you in the chest, that's good. That's the moment where you stop coping. Most people do one of two things right here. They panic or they pretend that nothing changes. Both reactions lose. The winning move is simple. You become the person who builds the workflow. Or you become the person who sells the workflow. Companies pay for leverage. Leverage means results with less time, less cost, and less error. That's why this moment is scary. It's also why it's an opportunity, because one person with a system cannot produce a team without one. You need 2 of these 3. If you can get all 3, you become a problem. 1. Taste. Knowing what looks good in your niche. Knowing what's off. Knowing what converts. Knowing what breaks. 2. Workflow building. Turning messy steps into a repeatable machine. Inputs, templates, checks, outputs. 3 is ownership. You stop describing your value as the tasks that you do, and you start describing your value as outcomes. Cycle time, revenue, retention, error rate, throughput. It's time to fix the problem. Here's the plan. Not a course, not a mindset, but a build. 30 days, 1 workflow, 1 measurable improvement, 1 proof asset. Pick the thing that you do every week that drains you, but keep it narrow. You can't expand too wide. Inbox triage and first responses, meeting notes into tasks and follow-ups, weekly reporting, lead qualification, tier 1 support, blah, 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 the boring stuff. Pick one that repeats. Pick one where done is obvious. Pick one where saving time matters. Now you design the pipeline. Where does the input come from? What format do you want the output in? What are the rules? What are the exceptions? What's your quality check? Your goal is aggressive. Cut the time in half that it would usually take you to do it. Keep the quality acceptable. Don't let it destroy your quality. Lock it into a checklist and a template so that you can repeat it. This is the part that turns effort into money. Make a 1-page before or after. Before is how long it took before, after how long it takes now. Then describe what changed. How quality is verified, because they're going to be concerned that anytime you can do something faster, it's going to make it worse quality. What impacts it creates. This is your receipt. Receipts beat opinions every time. If you're W-2, you bring the receipt. You don't ask for a raise with vibes, you show the lever. I built a workflow that saves us blank amount of hours a week. I can roll it out and own the result. That's promotion language. If you're an entrepreneur, pick a niche and sell the workflow. Don't sell AI. Sell the outcome that AI can bring. Everyone's selling AI and a lot of people don't know what it means. Less support load, faster turnaround, more qualified leads, and productize the delivery. Onboarding, SOPs, QA, retention, that's how you stop being a freelancer and become a business. So here's the sentence. Put it on your resume, put it on your LinkedIn, use it in interviews, use it in a pitch. I build and own repeatable workflows that cut cycle time, or whatever the metric is, by X% with a defined quality assurance to keep quality stable. X is a number, a real number. 30 days will give it to you. Comment your job title and the 3 tasks you do most every week, and I will personally tell you the first workflow to automate and how to position it for a raise or a sellable offer if you're an entrepreneur.